In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear netizens, if you're a patriot and want to learn about Pakistan's Defense Day, also known as Yom Difai Pakistan, and the valuable sacrifices of our valiant soldiers in defending the motherland, this video is for you. Friends, Defense Day is celebrated in Pakistan as a national day on 6th of September each year to commemorate the bravery and sacrifices of our committed soldiers in defending the borders of our beloved homeland against the brutal Indian aggression of 1965. Friends, 6th of September 1965 marked the day when Indian troops crossed the international borders to launch an attack on Pakistani Punjab in retaliation to Pakistan's Operation Grand Slam targeting Jammu. Friends, the Indo-Pak War of 1965 was the second military clash between India and Pakistan over the disputed territories of Jammu and Kashmir, which has been an unfinished agenda of the partition of the Indian subcontinent since 1947. Despite the United Nations resolution to hold a plebiscite in Jammu and Kashmir to afford its people an opportunity to express their free will to join India or Pakistan, India has shown a stubborn disregard for international order despite the passage of more than 7 decades now. Dear friends, let's delve into the events and importance of Pakistan's Defense Day of 6 September 1965. Friends, Pakistan launched Operation Grand Slam in May 1965 to liberate the oppressed Kashmiris from the clutches of Indian occupied forces. Pakistani soldiers launched a tank attack on Kashmir Valley on 1st September 1965. Baffled by rapid Pakistani advances in Kashmir, Indian Army decided to retaliate by opening a new war front on 6th September 1965. They crossed the Pakistan's Wagah border in Lahore with a goal to cut off the Grand Trunk Road near Lahore and to capture Lahore cantonment. But Pakistani soldiers fought valiantly to protect their motherland. Friends, no one gave up and fought till their last breath. In this war, 3,000 of Indian soldiers were killed and 3,800 of Pakistani soldiers were martyred. Though Pakistan had suffered more casualties, but still it didn't give up and fought bravely till the end. Both countries claimed victory and the war ended with a ceasefire mandated by the United Nations. Despite all the sacrifices and deaths of our heroic soldiers, Pakistan was successfully protected by its fearless men. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti achieved Nishan-e-Haider, which is Pakistan's highest military award. Major Raja Aziz Bhatti led his company against the Indian forces and refused to evacuate despite injuries. Dear friends, we Pakistanis celebrate this day to flash back on the valiant sacrifices of our proud soldiers who gave their precious lives to ensure a better future for us. This day is known as Pakistan's Defense Day as our army was successful in protecting and defending the territorial integrity of Pakistan. In Defense Day parade, Pakistan Army displays its latest missiles, tanks, guns, army aviation helicopters, and armament being used in engineering, mechanical and electrical corps, Army Air Defense, signals, Army Service Corps, and Army Medical Corps. Citizens are allowed to watch such functions live by going to specific places. These functions are also displayed on national TV channels. National songs, special documentaries about 6 September 1965, and stories of martyrs are all displayed on TV. On this day, the Change of Guard ceremony takes place at Mazar-e-Qaid, Karachi, where cadets of Pakistan Air Force Academy present the Guard of Honor and take charge. My friends, we all should pray that our motherland stays safe and protected. Ameen. Pakistan Zindabad.